Uh, Thokozan. I don't know what to say. I really don't know what to say. Yeah. Yeah. You know, this is a year that I will also remember. It was a mixture of everything, pain and happiness. I'm definitely sure my mom is smiling wherever she is, looking back of the blessings that I keep on coming my way. From my birthday to Christmas, gifts are pouring in. Gifts are just on their way. You know, they are coming via R34, via N3, via N2, via flights. It's just amazing. It's really, really amazing. Yo. You know, guys, I wish I could mention your names. I wish I could make videos about people who have seen my work, people who have seen my gift, people who have seen how much I invest in what I do when I do something for them. I wish I was a kind of a person that will just show and expose, but because of we work in confidentiality. And thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You know, this couple have seen it fit to say no. Whenever we see Kokobathi Nimbata is either on his push-ins or flops, whatever you call it, or on barefoot. I just can't wait to wear these shoes with so much confidence, you know, to say, yeah, I've worked. You know, this is what I enjoy when I wear, or the money that people come and say, Koko, this one is just to say thank you. You know, that's a money that is my profit. This is my profit. The money that you guys come and pay for a certain service, no, it's for a service, and that's it. It's for the service and, you know, the daily runnings of Indumba. But yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I appreciate everything. You know, other gifts, you know, other people say, no, Koko, this one will be too obvious that it comes from me. Please don't publish this one. You know, it's fine. I understand, guys. But the gifts are just overwhelming. You know, the pots, the blankets I'm receiving, the cell phones I'm receiving, the clothes, the shopping vouchers. Yo, kuningi man. Hey, kubhizi kulo December. Kubhizi. You know, you can swear ukuthi hayi ngithwele ngoma. Really, it's like, you know, I've used my mom, you know, for induce wealth. You know, why she's just passed on, and so much gifts are just coming in. You know, I hope my elder brothers, they don't see this video and say, this one we suspect him. This one, this one, he has done something. You know. Thank you so much, guys. I really, really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. You know, from barefoot, you know, from barefoot to these, you know, I don't know how do they find out that brown is my favorite color when it comes to shoes. You know, I love brown. I think brown is very humble. It's very generous. It's very warm, especially on men. It's a very unique kind of approachable color, and it has boundaries. You know, this one I love it because of that you know, bit of black. It creates boundaries in my character. So guys, thank you so much. I really appreciate you. Thokozani.